How the fuck we doing, dog pal? Make some fucking noise for Prob's dead man, killed it. Make some noise for Pete, Animalistic, Vermilion, Staggy, everybody. Make some fucking noise. Hell yeah, I love to see it, Alright. So, can I get everybody to like come a little bit closer, just a little bit? I want to feel a little more warmth. Ooh, I like when you look at me like that.
Come here, Willie Mill.
Willie Mill, get over here. That's what I like to see.
Yeah.
1 second.
Oh shit. Mic cut out. Make some fucking noise, dog bear!
Cameron White from Ellis Tech.
With that.
Thank you, Pete.
You always make me look sexy. Fuck yeah. Oh, Vermilion, are we gonna get slutty again? Yeah! Make some fucking noise! I'm seeing a lot of fabric in this crowd. This is unusual for me. Dude, if everybody gets loud enough, Animalistic will take his shirt off. Oh, come on. Shit. Are we Gucci, bro? Alright, this first song's called Emo Night. I love you, Rudy. Thank you for coming. Black lipstick on her nightstand. She tells herself that she's gonna be the best damn thing that they ever seen, heard, ever met before. It's time to leave the party cause she's looking at me. Come on this way, follow me. I got everything you need. Broken hearts and shattered dreams. The life we lived wasn't meant for me. Mother, mistress, murder me. Gouge my eyes and make me bleed. All my dreams when I'm asleep. And give you all that's left of me. Every time I close my eyes, there's a ghost of you that's left behind. Mesmerizing, I don't care. We do what it takes just to get the fuck out of here. Make some fucking noise, blacked out eyes and nice sweats. She doesn't even realize why she's like this. Sometimes life gets way too hard. Me all way too far. Mother, mistress, murder me. Gouge my eyes and make me bleed. All my dreams when I'm asleep. And give you all that's left of me. Every time I close my eyes, there's a ghost of you that's left behind. Mesmerizing, I don't care. I'ma do what it takes just to get the fuck out of here. And again, shout out to everybody who performed tonight. Shout out Dog Pound. Shout out Rudy.Way for running the sound. I forgot what fucking Howard's like this was, but I took this clip from Howard's. Yes, sir. Mother, mistress, murder me. Gouge my eyes and make me bleed. All my dreams when I'm asleep. Give you all that's left of me. Every time I close my eyes, there's a ghost of you that's left behind. Mesmerizing, I don't care. I will do what it takes just to get the fuck out of here. Let me go for real this time. The next song, what's next? Ephemeral? Next song's called Ephemeral, which means doesn't last a long time.
Damn, we don't last a long time.
We don't last long.
I'm gonna bring up my mortality at the show.
My fault. I didn't remind you. I gotta make you think. What's your brains for?
Yeah, your cum gunners.
You like my cum gunners? can look, but you can't touch. I'm just kidding, you can touch. Feel the anger, feel the dread, man. Don't you know it's killing me? I wish you all the best. Break down in the mirror, there's a dead man. Is he even real or is he in my head, man? In my heart, feel the anger, feel the dread, man. Don't you know it's killing me? I wish you all the best, man. Baby girl, I can take you where you wanna go. I'm a bad kid, but I swear I got a heart of gold. Girl, I know you love to family. So when I'm gone, like the chemical. This ain't what you want, baby girl, I know it's not your fault. I spend all my time inside alone, I'm like an animal. You can never concentrate on anything that ends at home. Try to call for help, but no one ever fucking listens. So every time I fall asleep, I still can see your vision. So you've been crying next to me, your tears, your teeth, and tear my soul. Why you let it do it, baby girl? You fucking let me know. I know you've been through it, baby girl. You know you're not alone. Baby girl, you're not alone. I know I can't let it go. How you gonna go? Was it only fair? Break down in the mirror, there's a dead man. Is he even real? Is he in my head, man? In my head, feel the anger, feel the dread, man. Don't you know it's killing me? I wish you all the best, man. Baby girl, I can take you where you wanna go. I'm a bad kid, but I swear I got a heart of gold. Girl, I know you love to family. So when I'm gone, like the chemicals. Thank you guys. Alright, DJ, we're gonna skip that third track and we're gonna go straight into Alright. Again, I love you, Rudy. Thank you.
Yeah, Rudy!
Make some noise for the sound guy. Come on. Make some noise. We can get louder than that. Come on. Make some noise for Alexa. Come on. Come on. Everybody make some fucking noise for Alexa. Come on. I fucking love it here. Dude, it's so good to be back. Make some noise for me too. Oh shit, we ready, boy? Yes, sir.
Get some camera.
I forget about the camera. I get caught up in the moment. I spent so long in the depths of my head. Oh, you know the words, huh? Sometimes I wish that I was dead. I spent so long in the depths of my head. So I can't go on living like this. It's alright. It's alright. I spent so long in the depths of my head, in the depths of my head, in the depths of my head. Sometimes I wish that I was dead. Sometimes I wish that we never met. Somehow this life is really bad.
guys. I fucking love you guys. Thank you. We love you more. I said we. Like I got multiple personality disorders. So I got voices in my head. They talk to me. Oh shit. Alright, brother. What do we got next? I think this one's a personal favorite for a lot of people. So I want to see you get really slutty for this song. Yes, sir. Hey, 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 hey. You say it's not what it looks like. Nothing here looks right to me. There's no room to breathe, there's no room to see, there's no room to grow, but you already know. I sit and wait when I contemplate on what to do when I make mistakes. Nobody cares and I already know. So I'm screaming, fuck them all now. Don't have a choice, just make some goddamn noise. Just please don't let me go alone. I'm screaming, fuck them all now. Why waste the time? I hate my fucking life. Just please don't let me go alone. I'm screaming, fuck them all now. I'm paying a target on my back for you to laugh when I turn around. You let me down, then you let me drown. You can't hear the sounds of my screaming. What's the meaning of this life anyway? What's the point when everybody says the same old shit? They got nothing to lose and they got nothing to prove. Everybody's a fake and they know that I got it. Don't have a choice, just make some goddamn noise. Just please don't let me go alone. Screaming fuck them all now. Won't waste no time. In my fucking mind. Just please don't let me go alone. Screaming fuck them all now. Close to me all the time. Once more I'll try to make it out alive. Everybody needs to go fucking crazy right now. Don't have a choice, just make some goddamn noise. Please don't let me go alone. Fuck them all now. I wasted time. I hate my fucking life. Just please don't let me go alone. Fucking love you, baby. Woo, thank you guys so much. That was fucking awesome. Fuck yeah. Alright. I believe if this is the song I think it is, this next song is fucking evil. Yes, sir, I haven't played this song since like the first fucking Howard show. Yeah! Make some fucking noise. You guys are awesome. Yes, sir. I'm
that's one of your favorites? Oh shit.
It hits a manic part of me.
I hope so. That shit's evil, bro. You must be evil.
It's great in the bipolar.
It's really in the bipolar? That's what I make music for. I make music for the bipolar, for the wicked, and the totally fucked up. Honestly, bro, skip the next one. Let's go straight into Sadie G. This song means a lot to me. I took a sample from like one of my favorite songs, October 25th by Sadie G. Don't know if you guys know that song.
That's my birthday.
No shit. That's fucking awesome. That's so weird.
Happy early birthday. Hey, thank you. Hey.
Yeah, facts. Happy early birthday. This song's dedicated to Verban. This one's about you. No, the one before you.
Nah, fuck that. Leave that one. I want to hear that one specifically.
Alright, we'll do this and then we'll do Sadie Jean last. I was gonna close on that one. No, alright, run Sadie Jean. Run Sadie Jean, then we'll do full last. I love you, baby. Sadie Jean's right before that one. But this song means a lot to me. There's also a Adventure Time sample in here. I don't know if you guys know the story of like Simon and Betty. That shit means like I fucking felt that shit. So it's like, yeah, I had to take a little clip though. Yeah. Baby girl, I don't wanna live without you. When I wake up in the morning and you're still not here, I don't even wanna go on. Yeah. Pretty girl, won't you tell me how your day's been? I've been all alone in my basement, singing songs that remind me all about you. I don't wanna live without you. Just tell me I don't have to. I'm crazier about you, and there's no getting past you. I'll drop dead and leave you alone. I'll do the work, I'll get stronger. I did this all for my brothers. I'll get a home for my mother. I loved you, girl, and no other. My heart is broke, it's just black now, and I can't afford to go back now. I loved you, girl, and no other, but I did this all for my brothers. Baby girl, I don't wanna live without you. When I wake up in the morning and you're still not here, I don't even wanna go on. Yeah. Pretty girl, won't you tell me how your day's been? I've been all alone in my basement, singing songs that remind me all about you. I don't wanna live without you. Here's that sample I was talking about. Yeah? Glad you like it. Leaves turn, but people don't change, they get older. I'm opening wounds for the closure, and I made the bed that I'm in. I learned the same lessons over and over. The 25th day of October feels like I'm 16 again. Leaves turn, but people don't change, they get older. I'm opening wounds for the closure, and I make the bed that I'm in. Yeah, I'll let you get hurt again. Thank you guys. Where's Vermillion at? Where's Animalistic at? They wanted this song.
I fucking love it.
Everybody loves this song. This is the last song on my set. This song means fucking everything.
You mean everything.
You mean everything.
Oh my god.
I went on an hour rant about how great Animalistic was while I was drunk as fuck.
Oh yeah, did he tell you about that?
He's heating up.
Woo. We got the sparklers going. Are we ready?
Oh hell yeah. Don't hit me with those, please. I'm afraid. I'm terrified of sparklers.
Please, don't touch me.
My sweet crepes.
Don't touch me, please.
Ooh, I like it when you call me crazy.
So sweet. You're right.
If you know the words, please sing it with every bit of your heart. Do you remember last summer? We were just kids without a fucking place to go. In my slumber, I'm not resting. Sometimes I wish I didn't have to get over smack this around. This world is cold. I know it hurts. I'm sorry, you're not folding half. Until the day I never miss you again. I know that I'm going. Please don't hold on. I know that I'm going. Jen, please move on. Please move on. I know that I'm going. It won't take long. I know that we're going. Goodbye so long. Hey, thank you guys. Thank you, Don. Shout out Emily, shout out Alexa, shout out Rudy, shout out fucking Animalistic and Pete. I love you, bro. I love you guys so much. I love all of you so much. Fuck yeah, it was such an honor to be here. I haven't been to the dog con in fucking forever. So thank you, Alexa, for letting me be here today.